Yo, what's up everybody? It's Online World here. And today we're diving deep into the world of remote work. That's right, we're talking ditching the cubicle, setting up shop wherever you want, beachside, mountain view, you name it. We're about to break down the top 5 websites that can connect you with legit remote job opportunities. So if you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and crave the freedom of working from anywhere, this one's for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future videos about living and working online. First up, we're kicking things off with Remote Technology Inc. And let me tell you, this platform is all about connecting talented individuals like you with companies who are looking for remote rock stars. And the best part? They're hiring globally. That's right, no matter where you are in the world. If you've got the skills, Remote Technology Inc. can connect you with opportunities. Now let's talk about the good stuff, the money. Remote Technology Inc. is known for offering competitive salaries so you can be sure you're getting a fair deal for your hard work. And when it comes to getting paid, they've got you covered with flexible options like PayPal and direct bank transfers. No more waiting around for checks to clear. They keep it simple and efficient. So how do you actually get your foot in the door? Well, the application process is pretty straightforward. You submit your resume, highlighting all your awesome skills and experience. Then you'll complete a quick skills test just to make sure you're the real deal. And if all goes well, you'll be invited for a virtual interview. Easy peasy. Remote Technology Inc. is all about making the remote job search seamless and accessible. They've got a user-friendly platform that lets you browse through tons of job listings, filter by your preferences, and even set up job alerts, so you never miss out on a hot opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or just starting out on your work from anywhere journey, Remote Technology Inc. is definitely worth checking out. They've got a wide variety of job categories, so you're sure to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Head over to their website and see for yourself the incredible remote opportunities waiting for you. And who knows, maybe your dream remote job is just a click away. Next up, we've got Invisible Technologies, a company that's all about providing top-notch remote operational support to businesses of all sizes. And just like our previous contender, Invisible Technologies believes in the power of a global workforce. They hire talented individuals from various countries, recognizing that skills and expertise know no geographical boundaries. Now let's talk about the work itself. Invisible Technologies specializes in providing support across various business functions, from customer service to technical assistance. So, if you're someone who thrives on problem solving and enjoys helping others, this could be right up your alley. And the best part is, they offer flexible hourly rates, ensuring that you're compensated fairly for your time and effort. No more haggling over salaries. They keep it transparent and straightforward. So, you're probably wondering, how do I get in on this? Well, the application process is designed to be as smooth as possible. You start by filling out an online application, showcasing your skills and experience. Then you'll be asked to complete a skills assessment, which helps Invisible Technologies gauge your expertise in relevant areas. And finally, if you make the cut, you'll be invited for an interview to discuss your qualifications and experience in more detail. Invisible Technologies is all about empowering businesses with the support they need, while also providing individuals with the opportunity to work remotely and build successful careers from anywhere in the world. They believe in creating a win-win situation for both parties involved. So, if you're passionate about helping businesses succeed, and you're looking for a remote opportunity that offers flexibility and competitive pay, be sure to check out Invisible Technologies. They're constantly on the lookout for talented individuals to join their growing team. Alright, moving on to our next contender, we've got Superside, a platform that's all about connecting businesses with top-tier creative talent from around the globe. Whether you're a designer, writer, marketer, or any other type of creative professional, Superside could be your ticket to a fulfilling remote career. Now, what sets Superside apart is its focus on project-based work. This means you get to choose projects that pique your interest and align with your skill set. No more being stuck in a rut with monotonous tasks. Superside lets you unleash your creativity on projects that truly inspire you. And speaking of inspiration, let's talk about the pay. Superside offers competitive project-based payments, ensuring that you're compensated fairly for the value you bring to the table. They understand that creative work is valuable, and they're committed to paying their talent accordingly. So, how do you become a part of the Superside community? Well, The application process is designed to showcase your creative prowess. You'll start by submitting a portfolio that highlights your best work, the projects you're most proud of. This is your chance to shine and make a lasting impression. Next, you'll be given a test project, a chance to demonstrate your skills in action. This allows Superside to assess your abilities firsthand and see how you approach creative challenges. And finally, if your portfolio and test project impress, you'll be invited for an interview to discuss your experience, work style, and creative vision. Superside is all about fostering a global community of talented creatives who are passionate about their craft. They believe in the power of collaboration and strive to create a supportive environment where creatives can thrive. So, if you're ready to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 and embrace the flexibility of remote work, while also getting paid to do what you love, be sure to check out Superside. Your next creative adventure might just be a click away. Alright, for all you tech wizards out there, this next one's for you. We're talking about Outliant, a platform that specializes in connecting businesses with top-tier remote IT and software development talent. So, if you're a coding guru, a tech enthusiast, or a software aficionado, listen up because Outliant might just have your dream remote job waiting. Now let's talk about what makes Outliant stand out in the crowded tech job market. First and foremost, they're all about remote work. They understand that the best tech talent often prefers the flexibility and freedom that comes with working remotely, and they've built their entire platform around that philosophy. And speaking of talent, Outliant is known for attracting some of the brightest minds in the tech industry. They have a rigorous screening process that ensures they only work with the best of the best, so you can be sure you're in good company. But hey, it's not just about being surrounded by brilliant minds, it's also about getting paid what you deserve. And let me tell you, Outliant doesn't disappoint in that department. They offer competitive salaries that are on par with, if not better than, what you'd find in traditional tech hubs. So how do you join the ranks of Outliant's elite tech talent? Well, the application process is designed to be both challenging and rewarding. You'll start by submitting your resume, highlighting your technical skills, experience, and any impressive projects you've worked on. Then comes the fun part, the coding challenge. This is your chance to flex your coding muscles and showcase your problem-solving abilities. Outliant wants to see how you think, how you approach challenges, and how you come up with innovative solutions. And finally, if your resume and coding skills impress, you'll be invited for a virtual interview to discuss your qualifications, experience, and passion for all things tech. Outliant is more than just a job platform. It's a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts who are passionate about building innovative solutions and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. So, if you're ready to level up your tech career and embrace the remote work lifestyle, be sure to check out Outliant. Your next coding adventure might just be a click away. Canonical is the driving force behind the popular Ubuntu operating system. If you're familiar with the tech world, you know Canonical is a big deal. They're known for their commitment to open-source software and their global impact. Canonical is also a huge advocate for remote work. They embrace diversity, inclusivity, and the flexibility of remote work. Let's talk about the kind of work you can expect at Canonical. They're looking for talent in software engineering, cloud computing, and data science. Whether you're a seasoned tech veteran or a recent graduate, Canonical might have the perfect role for you. Canonical takes a thorough approach to hiring. Submit your resume, highlighting your skills and open-source contributions. You'll complete a technical assessment which varies by role. If you pass, you'll have interviews with different team members. Learn about the company culture, team dynamics, and projects. Canonical is more than just a tech company, it's a movement. If you're passionate about open source, check out Canonical. Your next adventure might be a click away. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 websites for finding awesome remote work opportunities. Whether you're a tech guru, a creative mastermind, or a customer support superstar, there's a platform out there waiting to connect you with your dream remote job. Remember to do your research, tailor your applications, and most importantly, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The remote work world is booming and the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on the hunt for remote work opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos about living and working online. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of remote work.